My area is such a mess. I'm having to wear the same top I wore yesterday because the washing machine's not that great, or I've just wrecked the setting. But it's not getting off all the marks off my clothing. In fact, it looks like it's making more marks, so yeah.
It's now Monday. We're about 2 days from finishing our trip here in Korea.
Got my little fanny pack.
Hey, we made it to the river!
Tons of heat pumps all up here.
So this is our brunch for the day. We've come to another Korean barbecue, but one with different types of meats. Oh, we're back at the market we came on the first day, but it's much more popping off now. Well, Mum, look at all that. This is a place, this little alleyway. That's where like all the artisans are making stuff.
This is how they stop the river coming under the subway. Here's the bike hire. Going on the electric bikes. We were going to do tandem, but we decided we're too lazy for that.
Woohoo! Highly recommend. Catch up, babe. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about ordering in Korea. If you do get an opportunity to learn a little bit, it's highly recommended. Even if you spend a couple hours just learning some of the Hangul. The Woodamu would be, yeah, it'd be a little harder, but because of Woodamu spending the last 8 months learning a little bit of Korean, he's taught us some of the words.
These are like cereal. This is called bingsu. It's a Korean dessert. It's like a creamed ice.
So we started digging into the dessert, and it's like eating flavoured snow, flavoured creamy almost. It's beautiful, very yummy, highly recommend.